Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to get started on Opus Clip so you can start downloading really quick YouTube shorts. You're going to want to go on opus.clip.com and then it's going to bring you over to this page. It's going to ask you to continue with a Google email. So we're going to click on that. If you don't have a Gmail, we have a tutorial on how to create one, but it's going to bring you over to this page and you're going to click on one of your emails. We're going to use Jeff. Now that you're on the main page, let's get right into it. You're going to want to go onto YouTube or onto any other streaming platform. And all you're going to want to do is copy the URL and you're going to paste it right over here. And then once it's loaded in, all you're going to want to do is click on Get Clips in one click. And then you're going to have your short form content made in a few minutes. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.